Kublai phi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kan Pynlong ka jingyat pat ba ka bajai jai ha ka shpautrik Nailar arajar arpundriu ban Pyrshah ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act FCRA Amendment Bill. Kani ka jingyat pat ba kan sedang namadan yo Ringhap Fire Brigade bat kan kut Hadon Bosco Square. Habakran shikilat pathai khubor ha Congress Bhavan o President ka 16 East Shillong Block Congress Committee ba Eugene Jaran Ringkat beruba manual badwar kilo ong bakani ka bill bathamai giri kamat ka bakta juri ki hok pat ba ki jilarit pad bar ki kinhun batrai na kamta ka imlang salang uba Eugene ulo ong baladai kani ka bill la pelong an kanong ka ba e bhaban Pyrshah na ka sarkar preng na ki BJP ka don ka jing bun pad ha parliament Henry ula banjir ba ka ri pat ba sunshar pat ba ka bor pat ba kamdei banong ka balant na ka an ban na ka riti sunshar pat ba Ulai nuksa ba wala da bun pat ki kwa ban pensitam jur ya unu Henry ka an ka hapan ya dai ka hok ber ka jingya ringkat chang baro. Kum tau lo ang ba kinu ki an ki bala ban kta e ki hok pat ba ber ki hok niam dai ban yo jingya kran pat ba jingya tai sani shwa ban pentrekam. Ula keno ru ba kini ki jing pen kelai ke FCRA ki long ki ba khor ber ki la ban kta ya ki jilla kum ka Meghalaya ki ba shania ba ha ki jingya rap ba jingya don benta jong ki ken hun chnong. Ki sengniam bar ki voluntary organization ha ki benta jong ka puli puthi ka kot ka khya bar ka roi ka par karkum ka jingye thu jong u ka congress ka sngo ba ka NPP kum ka parlok jong ka BJP ha ka jilla bar ha ka National Democratic Alliance NDA ka deban pinpau ka jing Pyrshah ka ba khamshai halor ka ne ka mat ula keno ba ka jing bam shimrai ka ba scam kala ban kta e ka jing mentoi jong ki pat ba Meghalaya na kalyang uba manual badwar ulo ang ba ka jing yat pat ba ha ka shipho tarik unailar kanong ka ba jai jai barka thong kalong ban pinsngo thu iki pat ba halor ki jingta ki bala ban mi na ka ne ka bil ula khot iki pat ba ki samla ki seng bhalang bar ki ru pat ba ban wan ye shimbenta ha ka jing yat pat ba da ka rukom ka ba jai jai bar ka ba burom ya ka an Kinong yalam ka Congress kila ong ba ka jingi ki kamdei Pyrshah e kanugunu kaniam Henry kalong banya dai ki hok pat ba ka sunshar pat ba bar ka riti pat ba bala pinskam da ka riti sunshar ka ri India
It's because we have a very contentious issue, a very sensitive issue, which is slowly beginning to gather attention all around the world. All the nations around the world are beginning to respond to this crisis which this nation is facing in the form of what we call the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, which the present government, the BJP government, is preparing to pass an amendment anytime soon. And as we know, for the amendment of this bill, it is just a normal law. It is not a constitutional. It's not a constitutional provision. So to pass this law requires just about 10% attendance of the House. And out of the 10% which is present, I think only more than 50% if they are available, present and voting in the House, the bill will be passed to become a law or to become a rule that way. So now for the people of the Northeast and many portions of India, you will find that a lot of people we have been educated in missionary schools. We have been born in hospitals set up by missionaries. And all these institutions which we grew up with, which has raised the standard of our living, all stand to be under threat under this new amendment, which is proposed by the BJP government in the center, or the National Democratic Alliance. Now we request all the people, we will be having a peace march on Monday, the 11th, is it 11th?
No, the 10th on Monday,
on the 10th,
at 11
Monday
o'clock.
at 11 o'clock. So we'll be having a peace march starting from Lankra. That will be starting from Fire Brigade ground and heading to Don Bosco. So there we will be having a very silent, peaceful march with no intention of causing any ruckus or anything. And we will have a few eminent speakers speaking and clearing the public as far as we can on the provisions of this amendment bill.
Padma lakas hakasining kong uniu tayo banwan hakadwe biji ini dan kejingalang pangila ikentu namba bon ki district du kin pai sene kajing kentu jungi kamde ke ru kajing kentu jungi ke sulong betang ye tu ki brio da kenma bah ba kadan kajing ma ke bacur bah ba kani ke amendment ke man pinwan mata na kalyang ke BJP nomor bang nakaktim haring ki om kalong draconian haba kalong draconian kamot ba kajing dia tu BJP di wala kan absirip lupa dai baru khat ki institution khamtam hang ni hapo Meghalaya ni ki babon ki institution ki bapinya ki balang ba pher wada ki balang kristan mo chu no te ki bun ki jat bendriu khasi bat ki we ru hang ni hapo Meghalaya ki dei ki ba ya se ki la he asan ki la de school ka school jung ki babon hi ki de school jung ki kristan wada pang hayeng hasam do dun pang mono hayeng ni poi si ki hospital ki babon ki penyakit na ki kristan te menta kani ka amendment mo chu ono ka jing pen pher ya ka an ka dei ka ba kwa ka BJP ka ta ka kom ndei shu ta mon mante lakam ka dei ba la long ba shu pen abshirip ba kin hab iwe hedin ki we ba kan yo ban kini no kan mau ha ndei ban penyan ban kini ada dan jing bakla batang khandian Islam tang ban register Islam tang ban renew ya license su kini no ya haba kini no meaning ndei ba ban kini tang wei tang khandian kini be baru khat kita ka kala ban ke hospital kala ban ke school kala ban ke kajing tentu jungi kalong bet tang itu ki pat bah haba khila le school haba khila he katu kaju ke institution katu kaju ke school katu kaju ke hospital pa pijulet parba kakwa ya phi ba pin mi shakma namar ba pin expect ba kitu ki nom trei ham tu ba kitu ki nom penya bikin mi shakma kam na banlo namar ko sarkar la te la kam lupai ki ba gajing berngam kala dadan lupa kala dadan ba mi ki nom renew ya license ki ya lada mi pat na mantip manowendi ada fidan kata gajing snokia ka jumbo berkat japi ada pismu tu ba phiru phila he la sang na kini ki school na kini ki hospital ki ek ba phila julat ada pismo ba ki khul ki kiti jum phiru kimdei ban poi kata ka apon ka bale se kinumyo shu ban penyat kum ba ki julat namar ba ki khen bet ba niat bakla namar sarkar ka khen bet ba ro khat niat bakla ni kwa taman shu kini no te kata ka jing tieng kawan ka jing mai ka ek imlak salam ka bahadian tada ka parlimen ru nakalian ka kongres na thai la bon sim la kran bat hadu mintaru minang yang Pyrshah bhai na thai piatib bhai u tharu ru la kran bhas kamini wat lau doi udei makna windu ru kajing pentu jungi kalong ba nginde ban pelumahan na kunong no khamtam ki nong sa lada ki la ban wan na simon de kasinin kom haka khatwei bejim system hangti ang madan yoring hem tabuni khot ka fire brigade ground te nang tu ngini yan sadu sedang Bosco balai ngili yan sedang Bosco ndai ban pulmar na kuno no ka silent protest tambah hadon Bosco kindang ki jingkran ki driwo pher balai bini yan ikataru banginget pa umat don Bosco udai utabala bo makum utoken uban penken mau wingi baka education hampa Meghalaya ka contribution na kalian kisah nyam keladai kuai ni kepala jur bah te kalalong balik Pyrshah ke jing sedang jong bersyuang nama maka institution kompeten Bosco berkiwe tingi kwa ban Pyrshah kata bagi kentu kipat bala dah halong ndai ban ong bersyuang shit na no kada pisngo kata jikia yawan ni join lang kay si tang si kenta